Guys, kung gusto niyo maging truck driver dito sa Amerika, number one requirements, kailangan mayroon kang CDL, Commercial Driver License. Kailangan pumasa ka sa mga test at kailangan pumunta ka sa truck driving school. May mga example sa test, ipakita ko sa inyo. Punta ka sa YouTube, i-type mo CDL General Knowledge. May mga sample dito sa question and answer. Yan, CDL practice test, CDL test question and answer. I-open natin ha.
Must be equipped with 3 kinds of emergency equipment.
Ito yung mga
Which
sample.
of the following is not one of them? A. Fire extinguisher. B. Spare electrical fuses.